Marketing analytics for e-commerce success, there are many considerations, but three that I find are most critical. The first consideration is accuracy. You need your marketing analytics to be accurate. And by that, I mean you need to have transparent marketing attribution based on real leads and sales that is completely transparent in how the attribution credit is given. You got to make sure that top of the funnel is giving weight, not just last click, and you need to be able to see the entire customer journey. If you don't have accuracy there, nothing else matters because you're going to be misled based on what the ad platforms are already reporting back, which is not accurate data. It's biased data to get you to spend more on those platforms. The second consideration in leveraging marketing analytics for e-commerce success is you have to use the right metrics for the right job. Think about when you launch a marketing campaign. You're hiring that campaign to get a job done. It could be to find new prospects. It could be to move leads along in your funnel, or it could be to close the sale. Because not all marketing is just get the sale immediately. There are jobs that you're hiring it to do. You could be hiring the marketing campaign to find new customers only. Based on the different intentions of the campaign, you're going to want to look at different metrics, and you're going to want to score the revenue and attribute it differently so that you can get correct visibility into the goal you're trying to achieve. It's no different than if you were an NFL football coach. If you win the game 41-38, well, you won the game. That's the most important metric. Then on your offense, you can say your offense did quite well. We scored 41 points. However, your defensive metric, giving up 38 points, not so great. Similar in marketing, if you have a top of the funnel campaign, you're going to want to look at things like the new visits and new visit percentage, because it's top of the funnel. You want to drive new eyeballs. And if you've hired AI to help with that job, AI might not listen to you and then drive more retargeting. And then you're wondering why your top of funnel isn't growing the business. Well, if you're looking at the right metrics and you see that the new visit percentage is low, then you know you have something to fix. That's an example of the right metrics for the right job. The third most critical consideration is to automate data-driven growth. You need a system in place based on KPIs that you've measured and an agreed upon way to measure and score your revenue. And then you need to automate the decisions. So you're not in there being reactionary based on the algorithms supposedly treating you better or worse in a given day. Instead, you automate your data-driven decisions so that the data comes in, it's validated as accurate, and then if there's any decisions to be made, they are determined by the system, not by if you have a few minutes to go poke around at the data. So those are my three most critical factors in leveraging marketing analytics for e-commerce success.